Hi, this is June with New Orleans Potions, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make Mardi Gras purple. This is one of 3 in my Mardi Gras collection, which I have purple, green, and gold. So the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to use my loose DIY base. I put it in this jar. I will be giving you the recipe on how to make your own base. Okay, so the first thing you want to do, I think we're going to put 1 dash of loose base. These spoons, measuring spoons, I get from TKB Trading. Okay, so that's 1 dash. And then we're gonna put 3 tads of My Mix Pearly Plum. This also comes from TKB. I'll put 3 tads of this. I'm using the large bags just so I can show you how they come. I get almost everything in 1 ounce because I usually make a lot of things, but you can get it in smaller bags. If you're just starting out and you want to use sample size, you can. Sample size come like in a little smaller bag like that. Okay, that's the Pearly Plum. And then the next thing I want to put is 1 tad of Cerussite mica, which I also get this from TKB. And that's really it. So then the next thing you want to do is blend this, and I'm going to blend this for about 15 seconds. Okay, that's blended. What I'm going to do is just knock down some on the side, and I'm going to, when you make these any of your products, you need to put your mask on from beginning to end. It's very important to remember that because you can see how the dust comes out of the top of this, and it's not good for you to breathe that. I just don't like wearing a mask when I'm making my videos. So I'm gonna put that aside. And I also will be giving you the recipe to make your own base. I'm not sure if I said that, but okay. So we're gonna put 2 tads in this jar. I use usually 3 or 5 gram jars. If you're making this for yourself, of course, it doesn't matter. Okay, that's the finished product right there. And then I'm going to put some on my arm. Let's see. My hands are also stay dirty because, not dirty, but full of color because I just don't like wearing the gloves. But if you're retailing for sanitation, you should be wearing your gloves. And that's Mardi Gras purple. And then once I'm finished with this, after I fill that, then I use these little vitamin bags and I'll label the bag exactly what it is and put the rest in there for later. And then I will finish cleaning up with my 91% alcohol. Okay, that is Mardi Gras purple.